Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make egg biryani in a pressure cooker. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to make 15-minute egg curry. So let's get cooking. I would like to thank Home Plate Delights for sharing this egg biryani recipe. I made the same kind at home, so I just thought of sharing it with you. With a tablespoon of oil and half a teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder, I fried 3 boiled eggs sliced into half. Fry them on either sides for a minute till they turn slightly crispy and set aside. 2 tablespoons of clarified butter along with a cinnamon stick, bay leaves, green cardamoms and peppercorns gives a nice flavor to the recipe. I don't have mint leaves, which gives a nice minty flavor, but I'm making this with what I have. 3 green chilies and 1 onion sliced. Let them cook till they turn slightly translucent. Here's a cooking tip: you could add a little bit of salt if you want the onions to caramelize faster. 1 tomato diced. Let it cook for a minute or two so that it becomes nice and juicy, because once it gets juicy it absorbs all the spices and that blends into the recipe. A few coriander leaves instead of mint. Mix it well. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes so that all the veggies blend together. Let's add a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pilau masala, which is store-bought, and salt to taste. Nothing fancy, just like to keep this nice and simple. Cashew nuts make the recipe crunchy, something to bite on instead of everything being soft. Mix it well and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt gives a nice yogurty flavor. You're going to love it. Here I've used 2 cups of basmati rice, which was washed. So for 2 cups of rice, you're going to add 4 cups of water. You could add a little more of water since you've got a bunch of veggies to also cook. So you could add 4.5 cups of water. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Wow, this has come out delicious.